So hello guys, in this video we will discuss about four different concepts related to C++ program. So this is our third lecture. So first we will discuss about C++ comments. So how you can write comments in the C++ program, why they are useful. So let's see. So C++ comments are used to explain the current code, describe what this code is doing, and C++ compiler will ignore the commands. So by the help of comments, you can describe what you are doing in the code and compiler will ignore them. So there are two different types. One is this, one is this. So this symbol is used for single line comment and this symbol is used for multi-line comment. So let's see one example also. So here after writing this command, I am using this double slash and then writing some English word like show hello world. So compiler will ignore this thing, and here by seeing this you can refer that this command is used for printing or showing some string or something inside, like this thing it will show in the output. So if you want to write multiple lines, so then you can start with this means star means slash star, and then here you can write multiple things like here are the multiple line commands, and this is C++ output command meaning display or print command. So this is used for displaying or printing something in the output. So and in the last I'm using this symbol to end the multiple line commands comment. So in this way you can write comments. So this thing is a single line comment and this thing is a multiple line comment. And one thing you can also note that each C++ command ends with a semicolon. So after every command you can see that we are using one semicolon. So this thing you can note. So this is the first topic that we cover, like the comments. So now let's see the second topic. Second topic I am covering about your first program. So in the first program that I show you in the lecture 2, so this thing I write hash include IO stream. So this includes an input output library. Then using namespace std, this means std is a standard namespace, and int main, this is the start point of the program. So here you can see that I am using this command for describing what this line is doing. So this is the power of the command, like you can describe what you are doing. So this include the input output library, this is the standard namespace, this is the initial point of the program. So by doing this you can help the reader to understand the code. Then see out this, so this is the output, and return 0, so this the program runs completely. So these are the different things, and here we are using comments for describing what they are. So this is the second thing I want to discuss. So after running you can see that output will come like hello world. So what is this in this double quote, this is the hello world, this will print in the output. So this will come like this. And int main is the first function that must run in the C++ program. So always this function first run in the C++ program, and this outputs hello world. So this line outputs hello world. So let's see, next we will discuss output commands. So see out and this thing, this print the content to the same line. So if you use like this only, so this uh, print the line in the print the content in the same line. So same line, if you like see here, so see out then 1, then see out 2, see out 3. So here I am writing three comments for printing 1 2 3, so they print in the same line like this. But if you use this end l in the end, then print the content to the different line. So if I use end l like here, end l here also, and end l here also, so after compiling and running, so 1 2 3 will come in the different line. So for printing in different line, so you can use end l here. So this print the result in the same line, and this print the result in the different line. Then in the last we will cover this topic, escaping characters. So this backslash character can be used to escape characters. Like here are different uh, types. So if backslash n you write, so this output the content to the next line. If backslash r, this makes a return. Backslash t, this makes a tab. Backslash this outputs a single quotation mark. Backslash this outputs a double quotation mark. So let's see one example how you can use this. So like here our program hash include IO stream using namespace std int main. This is thing, and then we are using here like this, then this, then hello world, then this, and this, then this double quote, and then this. So here what it will do, so this thing escape a double quote. So if you write this only in the out, if you write this only, then in the output what you will get. So like if you see our previous results, so here I am writing only this. So here if you write only this, then in the output there is no double quotes. So there is no double quotes in the output. But if you write this like in this way, so here are this and this are there, but you write here this also. So this is backslash. So if you write this also, then in the output, then you can see this double quote. So for writing double quotes, you can use this. So there here explanation is this escapes the double quotes mark. Note there are double quotes in the result hello world. So you can note that there are double quotes in the result. Another example you can take like the backslash t example. So here after hello we are using three backslash t like this, this. So we are using three backslash t. So in the output you can see that this space. So this is three tabs. The result has three tabs. So you see here like what is the result after using backslash t. So in this way you can use backslash n, backslash r, all these different things you can try. So these five different things we discuss. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.